The ceremony of preparation. The magician purifies and banishes the temple as he or she has skill to do so. Below is a standard version of the lesser banishing ritual, a ceremony used by many modern magicians. Touching the forehead, say, 8. Touching the breast, say, Malkuth. Touching the right shoulder, say, Vijebura. Touching the left shoulder, say, Vijejula. And in the column stands the 6-rayed star. Touching the forehead, say, 8. Touching the breast, say, Malkuth. Touching the right shoulder, say, Vijebura. Touching the left shoulder, say, Vijejula. Clasping the hand upon the breast, say, La Olam. Amen. The ceremony of preparation. The temple. The holy table is set in the middle of the room upon a carpet of red silk. 4 small versions of the Sigillum Deimoth rest under the table legs. In the center of the holy table rests the Sigillum Deimoth, surrounded by the 7 ensigns of creation. All are covered and draped by a red silk cloth with gold tassels at the corners. The black mirror or scrying crystal is placed upon the covered sigillum. The ring and layman are at hand upon the covered table. A chair is positioned before the table so that the face of the scryer may be reflected in the mirror. The chair must also rest upon the red silk carpet. When operating at night or in a dimly lit room, 1 or 2 candles can also be placed upon the covered holy table. The ceremony. After banishing, the magician sits down and prays, "Teach me to have correct knowledge and understanding, for your wisdom is all that I desire. Speak your word in my ear and set your wisdom in my heart. Amen." The magician picks up the ring and prays, "Behold the ring. Lo, this it is. This is it, wherewith all miracles, and divine works, and wonders were wrought by Solomon. This is it, which the Archangel Michael has revealed to me. This is it, which philosophy dreameth of. This is it, which the angels scarce know. This is it, and blessed be his name, yea, his name be blessed forever. Without this I shall do nothing. Blessed be his name, that encompasses all things, wonders are in him, and his name is Wonderful, Peal. His name works wonders from generation to generation. Amen. The magician recites 7 complete rounds of the chant of the holy table's perimeter letters. If possible, the magician traces with the wand the covered letters he or she is chanting: Pomed Fam Med Drux Fam Fama Jed Graf Drux Med Graf Graf Med or Med Gal Jed Jed Drux. Podrux Untal Fam Donna Graf Don or Giscon Med Unjed Med Graf Van Donan. Podrux Donna Drux Un Med Graf Graf Med Med Graf Sef Jed Jed Mals Mals Fam Un. Pogon Medun Graf Fam Mals Tower Podrux Un Van Un Medun Gon Drux Druxer. The magician then proceeds to the business at hand, calling an angel of an elemental tablet or scrying an ether. When the magician's work is done, he or she dismisses the Spirit with thanks and praise. Thy name be mighty, O God, which canst open the veil whereby thy all-powerful will may be opened unto men. Power, glory, and honor be unto thee, for thou art the same God of all things, and of life eternal. Amen.